Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good week so far. I've come on today to count up my money. It's the end of February now and I just wanted to see how much I've saved. I think I saved, oh gosh, I can't remember how much I saved last month. I'm not sure, but I'm going to count it up now and see. Let's just get this bit of paper here. Start with the 3 months challenge. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $40, $60, $82, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $65, $70, $75, $80, $85, $90, $95, $300. 300, and once completed this one will be £450. The Sagittarius one, it's a bit slow, but slow is better than none. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. 155 was that? 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. That's 155. And luck of the draw is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 60, 160, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 245. And roll the dice. I've still got all the coins in, so let's see so far. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 260, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. Plus the coins. I'll have to do the coins. Let's just get the coins. So that's 300. I'll count the coins. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $98. So that's 98 in the coins. I'll just put them back quickly. Right, and got some rollover. I won't count. Then let's start with this one. My March one. This week I'll do the first savings for that. So let's see, that's 50, 70. Oh, let's put that aside for a minute. Okay, so that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 600, 650, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So that's 740. Archie has just walked into my craft room. Sniffing around. And then the little calf savings, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. And that would be £200, I think it is. Yeah. And the 52-week challenge, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 105 pounds. I'll just put that there, 105. Okay. And then, oh, let's just count up. 65 for the February one, which I'm going to keep. I think I'm stuffing it into my Save 2023 challenge. So let's have a look what we've got here. We've got 105, add 65, add 300, add 155, add 245, add 300, add 98, add 740, add 75 equals £2,083. That is amazing. Really I'm happy, and all because of the little savings each week. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. I did post a Q&A on my community tab. I think this is the second week now, and I think I've had two subscribers who's asked me a few questions. I'm still looking for more subscribers. If you want to ask me a question, get to know me a little bit more, I'm happy to do a short video of that for you. But I'm just waiting for some more subscribers, wanting to see if you might want to know me a little bit better. So make sure you go to that community tab and check it out, and leave me any questions you want. Make sure you keep it clean now. Take care of your good selves, and see you back really soon. Bye for now. Bye.